Alright guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to show you how to reassemble this XDS 45. Show y'all how to disassemble. You can see this, pull it back, lock in that groove. You'll flip this lever up right here, then you'll flip this back down, pull in the trigger and pull it out. Then you can flip this, push this spring in right here, and it'll pop the barrel out. To get it back, you will take these grooves and align them, and they'll snap back into place. You pull it back, lock it in that groove again, flip it down, you're ready to go. For any more questions, if you want to see me fire it or whatever, just leave it in the comments below, and I can make another video on it if anybody be interested. But other than that, I think that's about it on how to assemble and disassemble a 45 XDS. Thank you.